In life's forest, I stood tall and strong, faced the wolves, but did no wrong. Never feared what came, oh no. Many nights I cried alone. Through the pain I found my home. God was with me all along. He was with me in the night, guided me with purest light. Now His love holds me so tight. Glory to the Father divine. Through the darkness, cold and deep, He was there to guard my sleep. Whispered love so soft and sweet. Every tear was worth the fight. Turned my wrongs to shining right. God embraced